Students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of social study, and in our last video we have discussed about the weather and climate, and in this video we are going to discuss about the season of India. So student, let's have a quick overview on the previous lecture. That is, do you know what is weather? It is the mix of events that happen each day in our atmosphere. Weather is different in different parts of the world and change over minutes, hours, days and weeks. So student, weather weather means weather change over a short span of time, like over a minute, hour, days or weeks. Next one is climate. Do you know what is climate? It is the average weather in a place over many years. While the weather can change in just a few hours, climate take 100,000 even millions of years to change. So student, when weather remain stay for a long time, then it is known as climate. So student, now come on the topic, that is today's topic, that is season of India. So student, do you know what is season? Season are period into which a year is divided based on weather pattern. In many parts of the world, there are four seasons. So, student, in many parts of the world, there are four seasons. First one is spring season, summer, autumn, and winter. So, student, there are mostly four seasons. In India, we have three main seasons: summer, winter, and monsoon. So student, in India there are mostly three seasons. First one is summer, second one is winter and the monsoon. Now look at the summer season. First of all, we will read this. Summer, the hot weather. Summer, the hot weather season. So student, summer season is the hottest season of the year. In this season, the temperature becomes so high that water starts to evaporate very quickly. Days are longer and night shorter during the summer season. So student, summer in India usually start in March and continue till the arrival of the monsoon. Rains in June, April and May are usually the hottest month of summer. So student, in summer days are longer and night are shorter. And summer in the plains of northern India is hot and dry. Hot dry winds called the Lu are common. People can suffer heat stroke in such hot and dry condition. Now look at the next season is the monsoon season. So student, first of all we will read this paragraph. The rainy season. Monsoon or rainy season lasting from June to September. The season is dominated by the humid southwest summer monsoon, which slowly sweeps across the country beginning in the late May or early June. So, student, next one is monsoon season. And after the hot summer, the monsoon rain bring great relief to the people of India. And the monsoon wind are moisture laden wind that bring rain to most part of India during June, July and August. The Coromandel coast in southeastern India gets its rainfall between October and November. The rainfall is uneven distributed across the country. So student, monsoon season brings rain. Monsoon brings rain and the monsoon bring rains to most parts of India during June, July and August. Now look at the next season, that is winter season. the cold season. So student, in winter we feel cold. Winter is one of the most important season in India. It is a part of the four seasons that occur in India. Winter are the coolest season that start from December and last till March. The peak time when it winter is experienced the most in December and January. So student, it is the peak time in December and January that we feel cold, very cold. And in winter, days become shorter and night longer. January is the coldest month in the most places. So student, from October onward, the weather start becoming pleasant. Gradually in November, winter begins in most part in northern and central India, and it's usually lasts till February. So student, the winter season slowly start from November and last in February and March, and the days become shorter. In winter, the day becomes shorter and night become longer. So student, and in January is the coldest month of the year at every places of India. So student, I hope you all are understood about the season and the different season of India, that you have to read and learn about the season and the different season of India. This is your today's homework. That's all, and thank you.